Hi, my name is Ruby from What a Simple Life. Today we are going to do extending the exhale meditation, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. The way the body breathes can tell you a lot about what are you experiencing. When you are anxious or angry, you may find the breath to be shallow and rapid. When you are resting, your breath slows down and is often deeper. The relationship between the breath, the body, and the mind goes both ways. By breathing more deeply, you are telling your nervous system you are safe. This exercise engages the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the feeling of safety, relaxation, and ease. You can use this practice anytime. It works well when you are experiencing anxiety, anger, or any other emotion that increase the heart rate. Bring the breath into your awareness. You can choose one place in the body on which to focus. The abdomen and the chest work well for this exercise. For the first minute or so, breathe in 3 seconds and breathe out for 4. Do your best to count the second in your head. Make the breath a little bit longer by inhale to a count of 4 and exhale to count of 5. After a minute or two, continue the lengthening of your breath. Breathe in 5 seconds and breathe out for 7 seconds. Keep your attention on the sensation in the body as you breathe. As the minute passes, lengthen your inhale and exhale as much as you are able. Don't strain, but encourage yourself to breathe more deeply. Remember that exhale should be longer than the inhale. After 10 minutes, let go of the counting and take in few deep breaths at your own pace. Return to your day without returning shallow breathing right away. And I hope this helpful for your day. Have a good one.